I am Rawaz Barznji. I recently completed the MBA program at the American University of Soleimani. I am the Chief Executive Officer of Suli Capital, a firm we founded a year ago, working on financial services and consultancy. As an entrepreneur in the financial services sector, the AUIS program was perfect for me. It provided me with a strong academic framework coupled with practical real-world lessons in business administration that I could easily take from the classroom to the office and optimize my business. Fortunately, the program at AUIS was well formulated and designed for me to fill the gap that I had in the business sector. As the founder and head of an independent business, I particularly profited from the AUIS MBA program's focus on developing leadership skills, how to take responsibility and react quickly and efficiently to meet the needs of both clients and employees to grow a business. This program represents a true investment in local talent, producing young leaders who can help to drive the growth of the economy and help to develop a brighter future of Kurdistan.